Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about machine learning. So, on to the next slide. Our group members consist of me, myself, AISYAH, PUTERI NISSA, and AIDID SYAHMIM.
Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows software applications to become more accurate at predicting outcomes without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning algorithms use historical data as input to predict new output values. Topics that will be covered in this slide is the importance and different types of machine learning, who's using machine learning and what's it used for, disadvantages and disadvantages of machine learning, and human interpretable machine learning.
Machine learning. Machine learning is a type of computer science that allows computer programs to learn and improve all on their own. In the past, computers could only do what we programmed them to do. But with machine learning, they can behave like humans and gain knowledge based on their past experiences. This process can get pretty complicated, but here's how it works on a basic level. Let's say we want a program that can tell the difference between apples and bananas. First, we'll give it some labeled pictures of each. The program will then look for patterns in the fruits and start to remember them. It can then use these memories to look at unlabeled pictures of apples and bananas and determine which is which, all on its own.
Why is machine learning important? Machine learning is important because it gives enterprises a view of trends in customer behavior and business operational patterns, as well as supports the development of new products. Many of today's leading companies, such as Facebook, Google, and Uber, make machine learning a central part of their operations. Machine learning has become a significant competitive differentiator for many companies.
As you can see from the video below, you can see that as soon as the man told her to stop, and by her I mean the robot, she immediately stopped at the request of the man. This means that machine learning that is incorporated in robots caters to everyone's preferences and personal needs. Now, on to the next part. I'm going to be explaining the importance of machine learning in terms of these three widely known social media apps, namely Instagram, Twitter, and Spotify. So, you might be wondering, how does Spotify use and how does it incorporate machine learning in its system? Basically, it uses machine learning to help in terms of personalization and recommendations in terms of its users' songs of choice in this month, last week, this week, etc. So, how about Twitter and Instagram? How do these two apps incorporate machine learning into their systems? Basically, picture this. You are into certain topics, let's say celebrities, and you spend so much time on your social media feed scrolling through posts which are related to the celebrities that you're into. Machine learning enables you to see the post on your social media feed more than one time, and basically it fits your preferences and your personal needs.
Learning, which uses algorithms with level training data. Number 2, unsupervised learning involves algorithms that train on unlabeled data. Number 3, semi-supervised learning involves a mix of the two preceding types. And number 4, reinforcement learning, which teach a machine to complete a multi-step process.
Okay, next, the advantages of machine learning. Number 1 is it can easily identify threats and patterns because it can review large volume of data and discover specific threats and patterns. Next is no human intervention needs, which is automation. Since it's mean giving machine the ability to learn, so that it makes prediction and also improve the algorithm on their own. Next is continuous improvement. As machine learning algorithm gain experience, they keep improving accuracy and efficiency. And lastly, they can handling multi-dimensional and multi-variety data. Okay, now let's talk about the disadvantages of machine learning. Number 1 is data acquisition. Machine learning requires massive data set to train on. Next is time and resources. Machine learning needs enough time to let the algorithm learn and develop enough to fulfill their purpose. Number 3 is interpretation of results, which is another major challenge in the ability to accurately interpret results. And last is high error susceptibility, which is machine learning is autonomous but highly susceptible to.
Now, let's talk about black box and how it is connected to the human interpretable machine learning. So basically, black box is an algorithm that takes data and turns it into something useful. So basically, picture the example that I have shown you earlier, which is the robot from the video on YouTube. It basically receives the data from human and it basically turns the information that it has received into something useful. The something useful that I've mentioned is basically it analyzes the data in order to fit the personal needs and the preferences of the human. The human does not like physical touch, therefore it goes into a friendly mode and follows and obeys the order of the human.